Welcome back. The inauguration of Narendra Modi's vibrant Gujarat event in Gandhinagar turned out to be a massive conglomeration of India's biggest corporate honchos, diplomats and international business leaders. All the high-profile delegates who shared the stage praised Narendra Modi and the Gujarat government over its development agenda.
The who's who of Indian corporate world coming together for the 6th edition of Vibrant Gujarat. And its mastermind, Narendra Modi, stealing the thunder from the word go.
Not only is Gujarat one of the fastest growing states in the country, but its example is being emulated across many states.
Taking a cue from the CII president, the Ambani brothers also going gaga over the 4-time Gujarat Chief Minister.
Narendra Bhai literally is a lord of men, a leader among leaders, and a king among kings.
In Sri Narendra Bhai, we have a leader with a grand vision and the determination to translate his vision into reality.
The other prominent faces of India Inc. also singing the same tune.
I think a day will come in the not too distant future when we will not only talk about the China model in Gujarat, but the Gujarat model in China.
And then came the man himself, buoyed by his recent triumph in the assembly elections, a jubilant Modi making full use of the mega biennial event.
Once upon a time, Gujarat was the gateway to the globe from India. Now it is becoming the global gateway to India. And thus, Gujarat welcomes you with open arms to this summit, which has grown far beyond the boundaries of Gujarat.
Reaching out to around 50,000 investors from over 100 countries, more than the double of the participation during the previous edition in 2011, Modi is sending a clear message.
I firmly believe that this century is India's century. We have assured our people that we essentially want to benchmark our infrastructure, our human development, our technologies, and our processes with the best of the world.
What differentiated this vibrant summit was the unusual presence of the diplomatic corps from Delhi, with more than 30 ambassadors and mission chiefs, including that from the UK, Canada and Japan, in attendance. It was clearest sign yet of the international community taking cognizance of Narendra Modi's rise in national politics.
Ane Gujarat Rajyana Lok Ladla Mukhya Mantri Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. Namaskar.
It was 2001 when the Chief Minister began his innings, and here we are in 2013, and the progress is stunning.
The message is quite loud and clear. Modi has once again underlined his status as the man who means business. Bureau Report, Times Now.
With that, it's a wrap of this edition of The 8 tonight, followed by the News Hour with Arnab Goswami up next here on Times Now. Stay with us.